ये कहानी है 2009 की और विराट कोहली की. For those who don't remember, back then there used to be a tournament called CL T20 while the IPL was also just in its nascent stages. Virat Kohli was just another upcoming player for RCB and this match was against Victoria Bushrangers. उस मैच में मैं और मेरा दोस्त एक गए थे and Virat Kohli was fielding at the third man boundary. तो मुझे अभी भी याद है David Hussey was going all guns blazing in that match. और RCB was losing 4-5 ओवर बचे थे and Virat Kohli, the young lad with the spikes, comes on to field at third man. And for those who might not remember, at that time Virat Kohli was a very different person. He wasn't the calm self that he portrays himself to be off the field today. He was known to be aggressive, expressive in terms of his batting and on-field behavior and temperament. So he comes to third man and RCB is losing. And there's this fan जो हमारे सामने बैठा था around 2 rows in front of us and he was booing Virat Kohli, gesturing to him that you're losing the game and you're out of this and you're just going to end up on the losing side. And Virat Kohli absolutely hated that. He looked at him once or twice, didn't say anything, but the third time he looked at him, threw out some expletives and basically said, "तो रुक, मैं अगले ओवर में आके तेरे को देखता हूँ." So Virat Kohli comes back the next over. The guy is still sitting there who was sort of abusing him or gesturing to him. He wasn't even abusing him. And Virat Kohli comes back, gives him a few more expletives and calls the security guy and tells him, जा उसके साथ जाके बैठ जा, अब इसको मुंह ना खोलने दे और अगर इसने मुंह खोला तो देखना. So the security guy goes and sits next to him and of course the fan, letting some sense prevail, shuts his mouth up and for the last 2-3 overs that fan doesn't say a word. So what's the point of the story? The point of the story is to say कि आजकल हम जहाँ पे भी काम करते हो, कॉर्पोरेट में हो या गवर्नमेंट जॉब में हो या कहीं पे भी हो, we are sort of afraid to be expressive, afraid to say what we mean or what we think just because of fear of retribution. और कि मतलब कुछ हो ना जाए अगर हम बोल दें या कोई बुरा ना मान जाए या तो इस स्टोरी का बोलने का मतलब ये है कि बी योरसेल्फ, बी एक्सप्रेसिव, ऑब्वियसली डोंट अब्यूज, डोंट यूज इंसल्ट्स, बट डोंट बी अफ्रेड of expressing yourself in front of the world because eventually you have to be who you are to sort of succeed. I know corporate teachers are sometimes you have to be diplomatic and toe the line and sort of almost live up to expectations of leadership and the bosses above you. But if Virat Kohli thought the same way, he might not be where he is because at the end of the day, if you're not expressive and if you're not saying what you want to say, you have this inbuilt frustration and that never leads you to success.